This Century 21 Hancock Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Tracy Dozier. Immaculate 3-bedroom brick ranch west/stone EXD right off Dabney Drive close to Henderson Country Club in quiet, well-maintained neighborhood. Private backyard west/beautiful landscaping plus wired workshop and fire pit. Interior includes custom wood blinds throughout, hardwood floors underneath carpet and wood-burning fireplace can be converted to gas. In living room, eat-in kitchen west/wood cabinets includes all appliances plus side porch access. Call Tracy 919-691-7435 today. This property won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Dozier at 919-691-7435.